Hi, welcome to the market alert for Tuesday, the 19th of March 2024. So big tech and black gold surge as bonds and Bitcoin purged ahead of the Fed's announcement tomorrow evening. Nasdaq leads stock bid as bond fall further ahead of key risk events for this week. And news today, just building permits, but the main event obviously tomorrow we've got the CPI from the UK, or the CPI as it's known. Everybody knows prices are continuing to rise despite the fact that they're forecasting lower inflation. Depends what you use in the basket to calculate it, doesn't it? Lagarde's also going to be speaking tomorrow, but the main event is going to be the Fed funds rate, which is expected to remain unchanged. That being the case, the market will drop and then rally. That's a pattern with that type of news. So let's have a look at yesterday's and kick off with the Dow. So yesterday's market action, starting with the Dow, we can see that price is just sideways and inside bar, actually very, very quiet yesterday. One of the quietest days we've had for some time as the market waits for the FOMC meeting minutes. There you can see the market rallying to begin with mid-morning and then just stuck in a sideways range for the remainder of the session. Market's currently at the DP, finding resistance along with the close, and also the three averages there as well. In the German DAX, also an inside bar. That shows you how quiet it is at the moment. Say anticipating Powell. I mean, nothing's going to change, so I'm surprised they're not using the no news days to actually just keep the market being pumped to the upside, which is what they've done for the last 6 months, but not yesterday. So the DAX already below yesterday's low, which can be seen in the 30-minute chart there, but it kicked to the upside to begin with, then drifted lower, and then the afternoon was just dire as the market is sideways along with the Dow. Overnight the market's also sideways. It'll try and do whatever it can to get back above yesterday's low there. S&P breaching yesterday's high, the only market to do so so far. Prices are in between at the moment, above the 5 MA. There you can see a nice clean move to the upside and pull back sideways overnight as the market sits at the DP there. In the FT100, the market also drifting lower yesterday, which you can see down towards the 20 MA, and in the 30-minute chart was up to begin with and then has just drifted lower down to the low, trying to get back to this level at the moment. US dollar making a break for it ahead of Powell. As you can see, they're moving higher. So this is going to have an impact on the metals, so let's have a look at those. In silver, prices already moving lower. Expect the retracement to begin after tomorrow, if not before, as prices are likely to move lower now if rates are not reduced. Silver and gold are looking for the Fed to cut, and they're not going to cut tomorrow. So again, you'll start to see a decline in the silver price and the gold, but silver faster than gold, and there you can see actually overnight already anticipating this. But yesterday up, back down, sideways. Overnight market was sideways, but now somebody's come in and sold a lot of contracts to get the market down below yesterday's low, and that will continue I suspect throughout today. Meanwhile, gold has been drifting lower for the last few days, which can be seen here. It'll need to hold above yesterday's low, but I suspect we've got a bit of a profit-taking situation coming in gold as well. In the gold-silver ratio, starting to move back to the upside. No surprise there. Expect the market to head back towards the 90 level if rates remain unchanged tomorrow, which 99.99% they are going to. Quick look at yesterday's trades. So we had a short to begin with, market trading down to the target, then down to the BRN, their psychological level. Market finds support, comes back out of the trade, and the market then just reversing, moving up, but remaining sideways to lower and in a range for most of the day and into the afternoon as well. The Dow moved higher initially, but then failed to do so. The DAX moved lower in opposition to it, then decided to come back, but failed to fill the buy order, and the market just trading sideways there until after the 3 p.m. close that we're currently trading in at the moment. So a quick look at the 2-minute overnight prices below the low. Like I said earlier, they'll probably try and attempt to get back above this. You can see already that that sort of price action, they're reversing and coming back and then trading sideways after that, likely to move back to the upside there. So that's it for this roundup. Expect another quiet day ahead of the Fed's decision for tomorrow. And yeah, let's see what it brings. So with that, as ever, thanks for watching and see you in the next.